Hello guys, in this video I want to show you why you just need only one candle in order for you to trade profitably and to make money in the forex market. You just need one daily candle. That's just what you need. Okay, I've made videos about this in time past, but this is a refined and updated version of this video, informing you and letting you know how easily you can make money every single day without much stress and without having to do a lot of analysis. It is just a simple strategy that you can use to make so much money from the forex market. Now, if you are yet to view the previous video before this one, it is just like a continuation, because in that video I explained how you can trade the continuation of the daily candle strategy, whereby you have a daily candle, previous day's candle, then you mark the top and the bottom, and now you are looking to trade the breakout from the previous day's high. This is the previous day's high and this is the previous day's low, and this would be on a lower time frame. Okay, on a lower time frame. Okay, but now also in like manner you can as well do the same. You can as well trade the breakout from the previous day's low here. Okay, you can trade it on a lower time frame. This is the previous day's low. All right, so this is like a breakout or continuation of a pattern. Okay, continuation of a pattern from the daily candle. So this is the daily candle and this is the lower time frame, which could be 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame. If you're yet to view the previous video before this one, please kindly view it so that you can know how to trade the single one daily candle strategy with the continuation pattern, just like you can see here. These are continuations on a lower time frame. This, you can trade this on a lower time frame when you step down to lower time frame like M15, M5. Okay, I want to show you how you can trade the reversal pattern of this strategy. Okay, how do you trade the reversal of it? So this is a daily time frame for GBP USD. So how would we trade? How could we have traded this? Like, this is a bearish reversal. This is the previous day's candle was bullish. Okay, now the current day's candle, as it were in this case for that day, became bearish. Okay, so how could we have traded this? So let us see how we could have traded different patterns. So let me just show you. If you have a previous day's candle like this, okay, you mark the up and the bottom. All right, previous day's high and low. So on a lower time frame, you can see that if the market does like this, break structure in this fashion, this is a break of structure, so you just need to return here and you could enter and ride the market down. This is in this case. Okay, so this is for the bearish reversal. For the bullish reversal, you could have like this. If the market breaks structure to the upside, now you wait for a return to the break of structure, and you can ride the market to the other side of from the previous day's low to the previous day's high. So that is one way you can ride it. Another way you can trade this strategy is for the reversal. Another way you can trade the reversal is if you have the previous day's candle, like the previous daily candle like this. So when you step down to lower time frame, this previous day's candle, this is previous day's candle. This previous day's candle would have, you will see structure like this. It becomes multiple candle. You could see structure like this. So what you need to do on the current day's candle, when the current day candle opens up, you could see like the candle, the current day's candle forming a double top. Like in this case is a double top. Okay, so when you see this double top, that shows you that the market is now going to sell down to the other side. And on the other side, if you find like a double bottom, like this could be like the previous day's candle. Okay, if you are able to identify a double bottom and you see that the market is forming a double bottom, you just find out that this is going to be like an entry sign for you in order to ride the market to the upside. So we're going to look at it right now so we can identify how this works on the chart. Okay, so we're going to see how this market played out. Like in this case, now can you see here, this is like a bullish reversal, and why this is like a bearish reversal. Okay, this is like a bearish reversal. Okay, and this is a bullish reversal on a daily time frame. So we're going to step down to lower time frame so we can see first the bullish reversal Okay, here the bullish reversal, and this is B, the bearish reversal. Okay, so let us see how that would have worked out. The first thing we need to do is to place a horizontal bar, okay, a horizontal line on the previous day's high and low. Okay, so this is what the candle we are looking to cover. We want to see how this played out, how that could have played out if you were to trade it. Use the bar replay button to see. Let's use the bar replay button to see how that would have worked out. Okay, now step down right now to 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame, whichever one. Okay, let's just use the 5 minutes time frame in this case. So if you see on the 5 minutes time frame, you can see, so we are on the 5 minute. Let's use 15 minutes time frame so it will be a little bit clearer. So you can see the 15 minutes time frame. I'll just also place like a bar, like a vertical bar here, so it will differentiate the previous day from the current day. So in this case now, this is the previous day, and this is the previous day on a lower time frame. Okay, so that's the previous day. So we want to see what would have happened, how we could get an entry on the current day. So that is what we want to see right now. So in doing that, we will now play the bar replay in order to see how we could have got into that trade. So we are playing it right now. So the market is coming down to make something like a double bottom, sort of. So now you can see here the market has made like a double bottom here. Okay, a double bottom here, and you can see there's a break of structure here to the upside as well. Okay, the market now, mind you, I've always said that this is like a zone. The previous day's high is a zone, not a line. This is a zone. This is a zone. Previous day's high is a zone. Previous day's low here is a zone. Okay, the previous day's high is a zone. Previous day's high is a zone, and the previous day's low is. So the market must not really come and touch this line, but this is the area whereby you're looking for the reversal to occur. Okay, this is the region whereby you're looking for the reversal to occur. Okay, so very, very important. So let's just put like a shade. Let's put like a shade there. Let's just put like a horizontal shade here, just to mark our lows. Okay, okay, so that is where we are looking to have some sort of reversal. Okay, so now we need to play. Also, we would have also had like a break of structure here as well. So multiple confirmations here. So let us keep playing and see how that continues. So you can see now this can also be like an entry point for us. This can be so you can see that is like an entry point for us. The market broke structure. Also, we could have also enter on a double bottom. All right, so let's keep playing to see. You can see the market has hit the previous day's high. So if you see, so if you place your long entry, so this is like one. This is like 1:3 risk to reward ratio. So this is how you would have entered double bottom. This is like a double bottom. The market created a double bottom in relationship with the previous day's low. So this is like a double bottom. Also, the market broke structure here, returned here to this structure before it now bought up. Okay, this is one way you can trade the reversal. Okay, this is one way you can trade the reversal when you are looking at the previous day's high and low. Okay, at least on a 15 minutes time frame. So this is for a buy scenario. So now we'll be going to see the sell scenario version of it. So we'll go now. We'll go to daily time frame to see a sell scenario. We just considered a buy scenario. Okay, so we just considered a buy scenario. You can see where you can see the scenario we just considered. So the market bought. So this was our previous day's candle, and this is where the market bought. This is the current day's candle that was bullish, and I showed you how we could have entered that trade. So now let us consider a bearish scenario here. This is like a bearish scenario, this one. Okay, so let's see how we could have entered that trade if we were to trade it. So we'll place our horizontal bar on the, we'll place our horizontal bar there. So once we've done that, so we are going to use the bar replay button to cut out the current day, and so we can see how the reversal, the bearish reversal, will happen. So this is daily time frame. We're going to step down right now to lower time frame and 15 minutes or 5 minutes, whatever, whichever one. So we are stepping down right now to 15 minutes time frame. So in order for this to be much more clearer to us, I will always put a vertical bar. All right, so it will be clear, we can identify our previous day. Okay, so this vertical bar has actually differentiated our previous day from our current day. So this is our previous day on a lower time frame. So we are looking at the current day and how we can get an entry on that time frame. Okay, so now we want to to play and see what happened, and if that can give us like an entry. So let us play and see. So the market, can you see now, the market has, this was so fast, so you can see here that the market broke structure here. The market broke structure. Also the market as well, if you are very attentive to what I've just said previously, you can see that the market also made a double top. In this case, in the previous one it was a double bottom. So you can see that the market made a double top here. So you are trading this like a double top. Also, you could as well, you can see something very clear. This is also a break of structure. The market broke structure, just as in the bullish scenario we saw earlier. The market broke structure, and you can see that this candle here tapped into it. Okay, this candle tapped into the break of structure, just like a return to the FVG. Okay, so the market returns to the FVG there, and that actually signified the entry. So you could have like a short, okay, like a short here, and we are looking at taking our final top take profit at the previous day's low, and this is like 1:3.8 risk to reward ratio, 1:3.9 risk to reward ratio. So let's keep going. Perfect. So you can see that the market broke structure, returned to the FVG, and now went ahead to move to our final take profit, which is the current day's low, or rather the previous day's low. Okay, which is the previous day's low. This is the previous day's low here, previous day's low, previous day's high, and you can see the market took reference. The market formed like a double top, and now, you know, you could have also entered the break of this neck if you wish, and you ride the market right down. Okay, the market, you know, this neck was broken. If you want to trade like a double top, and this is one way you can as well trade the previous day's high and low, as well the single daily candle strategy, single strategy on the reversal form. I've done a video in the video before this one about how you can trade the continuation. Please view that video. This is like a continuation of that previous last week video, please. So this is one strategy that can actually give you a lot of profit. Okay, I have a lot in my arsenal to teach you. If you want me to release more of these videos to help you to understand these concepts from my years of experience, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends. Okay, comment down below, let me know if you found this video helpful. If you're here to join our Telegram community, please do not fail to do so. The link is in the description box of this video. As well, if you want me to mentor you, take you by the hand and help you to become a profitable trader, regardless of how long you spent in the forex market, all right, shut me up. my contact detail is in my Telegram community, and the link to my Telegram community is in the description box of the video. I can train you and mentor you, and I do mentor one-on-one. Why I mentor one-on-one? So that you can be trained, and I will identify your deficiencies and help you to correct them and help you to become a profitable trader. All right, so till I come your way next time with another useful content, please backtest this strategy over and over again, and let me know if this strategy is worth it. I know it is worth it, but just try to backtest it and get mastery of it, and I know it will be profitable and useful to you. All right, till I come your way next time with another informative and useful video, do have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.